This is a fit for a Toyota Tundra CrewMax with a 6-inch lift. We've outfitted this vehicle with the iKamper X cover. It is supported by the Wilco off-road truck rack. The bars on the truck rack are right at 7 feet, which maxes out the support ladder. So a 6-inch lift compared to the stock Toyota Tundra would be the maximum height, the 7-foot height. That could be applied to other vehicles where you may have a lifted vehicle where the support crossbars sit at 7 feet is the maximum height. This is the newest generation of the X cover. We have found there are a couple differences. Most notably is a dense foam block, which iKamper calls a support block, and this is intended to be placed at the opening sides of the X cover. There are 2 that are included, so that way when you're loading up the external roof rack, which can accommodate a 60-pound load, it keeps the support level. 2 are included. Additionally, this seems to be a new addition for this newest generation, a running change where silicone sealant is included. Previous versions included a seam sealer. So the addition of the silicone sealant gives what's required for additional sealing where needed as the tent breaks in or for long-term maintenance. So we do have many other videos on iKamper products, including this iKamper X cover, which we go into more detail about the operation of the tent. Check out our playlist linked in the video. This product and the full line of iKamper products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the links in the video for complete details and buying options.